Shadows in CSS are like the salt in the soup for creating beautiful website elements. With box shadows, we can add shadows to boxes, like those beautiful shadows for example. And text shadows can be used to add pretty shadow effects to text. Okay, let's have a look at the code and learn how. First, we want to create a box shadow. If the box shadow property has 2 pixel values, like here, the first one defines the horizontal length of the shadow on the x-axis, and the second, the vertical length on the y-axis. Let's add a third value for the blur distance of the shadow. The blur makes our shadow more smooth. Have a look at the browser. We can customize the color by adding a color value at the end or beginning of the values. Let's make the shadow green. A 4th pixel value before the color defines the spread radius. Positive values let the shadow grow, negative values let it shrink. And setting the inset value will make the shadow display on the inside of the box. We can add opacity to the shadow by using RGBA colors, which have an alpha channel. So the background color will shine through the shadow. Next, we will have a look at text shadows. Let's create a text shadow for the text paragraphs of the box. So we add the text shadow property to the P selector. This creates a shadow in tomato red with a length of 1 pixel on both the X and Y axis. And when we change the X and Y length to 10 pixels, the shadow looks like that. Now, the heading will get a text shadow too. Let's create a cyan shadow with a length of 5 pixels on both axes and a blur of 1 pixel. Okay, we have reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it and learned a lot. To support my work, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to not miss any content about learning to code. So have a great day and happy learning.